Hi everyone, how do you do? Let us look at this organism many people make caricature of called Amoeba. Yes, Amoeba proteus. Amoeba is the genus name, proteus is the species name. Exactly. Amoeba, the first letter is capital letter A. The rest are small, you underline it, you leave small gap, write proteus. All the letters are small letters, you underline separately. Oh, the first one, genus name, the second one, the species name. Exactly. I liken it to your name and your surname, you know what I mean? Now, this is the way science students write it. Now, this organism is an animal. Amoeba proteus is an animal that lives in slow running waters of streams, rivers. They are also found in stagnant waters of pond and the ditches. Exactly. When I say stagnant water, I mean the water that does not flow. This is where you see this organism. Stagnant water of ditches and the pond, yeah. You see them at the bottom of these areas. It's an animal. I said that previously. It's not a plant. It is microscopic. Your naked eyes cannot see it. You can only see it vividly well with the help of the light microscope. Yes, it's a microscopic organism. Exactly. I say people make caricature of it, especially when they want to say somebody has, no shape. They say it's shapeless amoeba. Shapeless amoeba. Exactly. This organism has no definite shape. You cannot say this is the shape of this organism. It continues to change its shape as it moves. Exactly. Amoeba proteus has no definite shape. It continues to change its shape, the shape of its body as it moves. Yes. It has a body that has its outermost part called plasma lemma. And this plasma lemma is composed of the ectoplasm, which is the outer part, and the endoplasm, which is the inner part of the body. And within the body of this organism are what we call cellular organelles, cellular inclusions. That is the body parts. Like contractile vacuole is within the body of this organism for osmoregulation regulation and excretion. It has food vacuole that enables it to feed. Exactly. The watery medium in its body is cytoplasm. And at the center is a structure that looks like a heavy stone called the nucleus. Yes, in my next video, I will be able to show you the structure of this organism, how it looks like. Yes, we have seen the habitat of this organism where it lives. And then let us see why this organism has no definite shape. When it wants to move, it pushes out part of its body, protrudes out, out like this, and produce this one out like this, this other side like this. In this way, it is moving. The rest of the body will be flowing towards the direction of that protrusion. This protrusion is what is called pseudopodium. That is one. If there is more than one of these protrusions, it is called pseudopodia. And scientists say this pseudopodium is called false foot. False foot in the sense that it is not permanent. It is not true foot. It appears and disappears. Exactly. So the protrusions that it pushes out of its body appears and disappears. That is why they are referred to as false feet.